In this video, I will show you how to unlock the short squeeze card. So when you open up your Hamster Kombat account over here, to unlock this short squeeze card, come to mine over here. Okay, this is the second option over here. Then you come to special cards because the short squeeze card is in the special section. Okay, so when you come to special cards, come to new cards because it's also a new card. Then scroll down over here until you see it. Okay, so I'm scrolling down and it's over here. It's the short squeeze card. But guys, you have to note that you can't really unlock this short squeeze card minus completing the requirements. So first and foremost, the short squeeze card will give you 1000 coins per profit or per hour. So this means if you unlock this card, you'll be getting 1000 coins per hour of mining using this. But the only limitation is that to get this card, you have to first invite 3 individuals onto Hamster Kombat. So to do that, you can see the requirement is invite 3 more friends. Okay, so to invite them, come to friends section over here and then copy your invitation card or your invitation link. So just come and click on copy over there. When you click on copy, go and paste it to your friend's website or your friend's social media application like WhatsApp, and then invite them. Or equally, you can send it directly by clicking on invite a friend. When you click on invite a friend, for example, I can come and choose a friend I want to invite over here. Okay, then I'll come and choose this one over here. Then I'll just come and send it like that. Okay, so as you can see, when I send it like that, this person will be invited to the Hamster Kombat world, and when person clicks on launch over here, then the people will join Hamster Kombat. So this means literally that when I invite 3 more people that join Hamster Kombat successfully, then I'll be able to unlock this short squeeze on Hamster Kombat. So just head back over here and then open my Hamster Kombat application over here. So for this case, I've not yet unlocked the short squeeze application or the short squeeze card because I've only invited 1 person, and of which this person hasn't even yet joined Hamster Kombat. So just do that, guys. Until next time, we shall meet once again.